What's going on, guys? Back on another video. Today I'm in my house, which is a little bit different, probably the first time on this channel, because I got a cool video, but it's going to require a computer. So I'm at my big desktop computer right now. And I'll show you guys how to do this. So I saw this on Facebook the other day. It's called the Miata buzzer. I don't know if you guys be able to see that. The Miata buzzer. You can see, it's just a buzzer for your Miata, but you can upload MP3s instead of having that. You can upload things. So all you got to do is get one of these cords, which is called a mini USB. It was a little hard for me to find. I should have some, but I think I threw them all away. Looks like that. Let it focus. There you go. So that just plugs in there, and then you're able to upload MP3 files. So let me show you guys how to do that. Okay, guys, so I have it plugged in. We're going to go to my file search. We're going to go to US Drive E. And you can see I already put a song in here. I put the Top Gear song. So you can see that's in there. You can have it pretty long, but here's what was in here from the beginning. I think that's pretty cool. It's called OEM Plus. So you see it's the original. And it fades into that. So I did take that off and put the Top Gear on. So that's all you have to do. You just have to move it out and then just move it back in. It's nothing hard. So yeah, just make sure you only have one file in here. I'm not sure what would happen if you had more than one file. So you just need a Top Gear. It's just an MP3. So now we hit X. We're going to unplug it and we're going to go put it in the car. Alright guys, I'm at the shop and I'm under the car here. It's going to be hard to show you guys, but so you see that black box right there in the center of the screen? I'll try to put my hand on it. Here's the old one. It's hard to see. See it right here? You're going to want to just pull that down. It's going to be really difficult. I might not even be able to get mine down. Hopefully it just breaks. I'm going to try to break the clip. Mine doesn't work anyways. It was broken. Oh, it's coming. Got it. Alright. So that is the OEM buzzer. Timer buzzer. Mine sadly didn't work, so mine's garbage, but let's replace it with the Miata buzzer. So you see this box right here? That's it up there. It slides in really nice, and it's out of the way of the clutch and everything, which is nice. So yeah, it's up there. That's how you install the Miata box. I'm gonna go grab my key right now for you guys and show you what I put on it. Okay guys, you ready to hear what it sounds like? Let's see. Hey guys, I decided to put the Top Gear soundtrack on. Not 100% sure why, but I took my wheel off just so I could fit down there better. But hopefully this song isn't copyrighted, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video nonetheless. This is a short little one showing you guys how to install the Miata buzzer. It's $65. I'll leave the link in the description. I like it. I think it's just going to add that extra little bit of customization to the Miata that I think it needed. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.